doing a flashing detail. The flashing detail on the steel. We need to put it in the drip edge, followed by blue waterproofing membrane. So right now, for us to be able to do this down the wall, we got to do 3-foot sections, leave the brick in so it supports the wall, take 5 feet out, and we're doing that all the way down the wall to be able to put the flashing detail in, and then later on we'll relay the brick in there and then demo out the other 3-foot. Fixing here is a flashing detail, so we got to put some flashing down with a set of weeps in here with drip edge so that the water can properly drain out of the building. So here the architects wanted us to put mud down on a steel. Usually you don't, but put it the wrong way. So I've never seen a brick laid backwards until this job. That's what they want. Yep, you're fine. I'm squeezing right down anyway, so. Daniel son.
What's that? Yoga position.
Yeah, I realized I needed 2 halves there, Dan. On the specific job.
That's for your camera. Mine won't have any sound on it, but we'll use it. It'll only be like 3 seconds. I got some nice shots inside the wall to do that, so.
Oh yeah. Now, before you release any of this footage, Dennis.
Yep.
Go by the office tonight. I'm gonna have my resignation there ready.
Yeah.
I said I'll go to the office tonight. My resignation will be waiting for me.
Video. Oh, bro. What I'm getting with the drone and the shorts and the GoPro you're wearing.
Huh? Yeah. A little bit. It's alright. One, two, three. 3. I need 3. You need 2. Oh my God. Yes, nice and tight. Huh. That's not a full? Oh, this isn't a full, I bet. Because these are 4.5s. And I should probably, yeah, I'll have the same thing. What size you make yours?
5/8.
Mine's 10.5. Oh. 10.5. Is that mine?
No.
Where the hell did mine go? Oh, there it is. I see it. It's on the ground. I'm gonna have you cut it, Dan. What do you need?
I need that water that's down there.
Hey, Dennis, can you hand me that bottle of water? Thank you, sir. Right?
4.5.
Open one second.